Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft deep ocean error. This error usually happens when the Minecraft launcher, Microsoft Store, or game files are corrupted or not syncing properly with your system. First, just go to your Windows search bar and just go ahead and search for Microsoft Store. And after searching for Microsoft Store, just right-click on it and just go to App Settings. And once your setting loads, just go and scroll down, and you'll see an option for Terminate. Just go and click on Terminate. And after clicking on Terminate, just go to Reset and just go ahead and confirm the reset. And wait for the process to complete. Once this is done, this should fix the issue in most cases. If it still is not working, we will move on to the next method. Just go to your Windows search bar once again and go ahead and search for Check for Updates and open the Check for Updates. And here, make sure the Windows is updated to the latest version. After that, just go to your Windows search bar and just go and search for WSReset. And just go and click on Open. This clears the Microsoft Store cache and just wait for it to finish. And if the issue still continues, just go ahead and uninstall and reinstall all of the instances for Minecraft on your computer. And once that you have done that, your issue should now be fixed. The simple rule is corrupted Microsoft Store cache or broken installation usually causes this error, and resetting Store or reinstalling Minecraft usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft deep ocean error. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.